Aiden, what happened? Did you get stuck? Are you stuck? Oh, well, what are you doing? Are you stuck? Well, you shouldn't be in Dad's chair anyway. You have no idea how funny this is. Why do I have this desire to spin you around right now?
Will you smile for the camera?
That's a riot. Alright, we'll come get you out.
One spin.